In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make email automation with Reply in Brevo. This setup is useful when you want Brevo to automatically send an email reply after someone messages you through conversations. Before you begin, make sure you are logged into your Brevo account and that you already have an email template prepared. Having the template ready will make the automation quick to finish, and it also helps you keep your branding and wording consistent. Start by looking at the left sidebar in Brevo. Click Automations. This is where you build workflows that react to events, like messages, signups, or other actions. Once you are in Automations, click Create an Automation, then choose Start from Scratch. Starting from scratch is helpful because it gives you full control over the trigger and the email you want to send, without extra steps that you do not need. Now you will choose what starts the automation. Click Add a Trigger. From the trigger options, select Conversations, and then choose Message Received. This tells Brevo to run your automation whenever a new message comes in through your Conversations inbox. This is a solid choice for quick acknowledgements, support follow-ups, or simple first response messages. After the trigger is set, look under it and click the plus icon. This plus icon is how you add the next action in your workflow. For the action, click Send an Email. Brevo will prompt you to choose a template. Select the template you want to use for this automated reply. Take a moment to confirm you picked the correct template, especially if you have multiple versions for different audiences. A clear subject line and a concise message body will improve the recipient experience, and you can keep the language friendly and direct. Once your trigger and email are in place, you are ready to turn it on. Click Activate. Activating makes the automation live, so future incoming messages will automatically trigger the email you selected. That covers everything you need to know.